Hey everyone, how's it going? Happy Tuesday. We're gonna be doing some coding challenges today. Oh, let's see here, some coding challenges. Where did I put those? Where did I put those coding challenges at? All right. It's a little bit of coding challenges here. 1 second. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Oh, hey, Kyle. Yes. Oh, we're live now. I just saw your message on Discord. Yeah, we're live now. Just now. All right, let me see here. Yep. 11. Oh, just now. Wow, good timing. This was unexpected. Okay. Okay, 1 second. I need to click some buttons. See, app. Let's see here. Hey, Eddie Legendary, how's it going? Welcome on in. We're updating some. We're going to be doing some coding challenges. The terminal challenges. Hey, Bubble Bear. Hi, good to see you. Welcome on in. We're doing some coding challenges on the terminal. I'm actually really excited about this. Okay. Been a while. It has, yeah, been a little while. Hope you've had a good time. Let me update the title here. This is called where are we doing it here? This is over here. It is, where's that at? Where did it go? Oh no, where did it go? 1 second. Did I put it somewhere? Oh, it's gone. It disappeared. No, I had it all right there. Did I accidentally made it disappear? Oh no. Hey, how's it going, Kyle? Good to see you. My intuition was triggered for Steve. You were right. You're right. You got it. You like right at the exact moment. Right at the exact moment. You figured it out. So, I can see your Discord wrapped thing. Yeah, I had the Discord. Yeah. So there's the Discord wrap thing up here at the top. Though I had the windows all open and ready to go. Can I see your Discord wrap thing? Discord checkpoint. It's just, there's not much to it. I took a look at it earlier. There's not much to it. Only a few messages, not too many. Only 1,000, which still is not a lot. That's still not a lot. And then a lot of emojis, which makes sense. Like a whole bunch of emojis. Then what else we got here? For invoice. Okay, so less than an hour. Not that long. What project are you doing? Because last time I was here, you were making a game. Oh, right. So we finished the game. What we need to do next is we need to turn it into a Unity game, which we did. We actually already converted it into Unity, and then now I just want to make it better, and then we'll release it on the App Store. So that's still in the works. Today I wanted to get this really neat game that what was it? I put it on Discord. I put the link on Discord, so I'll head back over to it. There you go. So yeah, most of the messages here, and then what else? And then yep, there we go. We got some folks here, some folks over here. Quantified Quantum. Let's see what else. There, checkpoint done. Checkpoint's done. But one person was always your go-to, and I bet you that was Quantified Quantum. It was. Hey, Nevo. Good to see you, Neva. Welcome on in. We're going to be doing some Bash coding challenges. Good to see ya. All right, let me change. So it's called, let me see here. Let me pull this in over here. All right, let me see here. I wanted to do this. Where did that go? 12 Years of Show. It is. Yep, you got it, Kyle. And we beat it. We defeated it. We got all 12 days. And now what I want to do is there's more to it. It went deeper. So let's see here. I'm going to do new window. Where was it? It was here. I put it here. All right. So it's right here. 12 days challenge. Okay. So we completed the game, right? So you can see here, we fully completed it. So you see here our score. We got all 12 days, right? We got all 12 days. We did it. We won. And then there's more command line challenges. Here we go. All right. We got it back. I leave for 2 days and you're using the most cursed language ever. What happened? Oh, wait, which one? Which cursed language? What are you talking about? I know we were Python. We're using Rust. And then C Sharp. C Sharp's not cursed. C Sharp is fine. C Sharp is fine. It sounds fun, though. It is pretty fun. I like it. I like it. We're doing good. We're making things happen, you guys. All right, let me double check. All right, so this is Bash command challenges. All right, to update. All right, there we go. We updated the titles. We had to do just a little bit of title updating there. All right, let's get into it. I'm excited about this. Count the number of files in the current working directory. All right, how many files are there? I see one file. I see one file right here. I don't know if you guys can see it, but what do you see? I see one file. Oh, no, I mean Bash. Oh, yeah. Okay, Bash. Yes, you're right. So it is kind of a scripting language. It is, therefore, a programming language by definition. You wouldn't really build any software in Bash, I wouldn't say. It's more of like a procedural piping thing for accessing and interfacing with various commands on Linux or any terminal window. That's what I call that. So, yeah, there we go. So Bash. All right, so ls. So it says print the number of files in a single integer. As a single integer. We could do that. Oh, by the way, are you using shell check? Is it a good linter for Bash? I didn't even know that was a thing. That's a thing? I didn't even know that was a thing. I didn't know. Wait, I want to look that up. Shell check. All right, what is this? A static analysis tool for shell scripts? What do you know? That's pretty neat. Okay, so obviously because they're shell scripts, they're scripting language, they're not compiled. You want to be able to lint them or, check to make sure that they're going to work. This is a good way to do it. This is a great way to do it. All right, 1 second here and click some buttons. Okay. So neat. Thank you. Thank you, Neva. Thank you so much for referring me to this. I didn't know that we could do this. I'll be looking at maybe adding it into our infrastructure. Okay. So there's one file. I see one file. So ls pipe ls-1, right? So it's just the ls-1. And then pipe that to wc, which gives you wc-l for a number of... Oh, that would be L. That would be -L. Why is that not working? That should totally work. Okay. Count the number of files in the current working directory. That's what we did. Print the number of files as a single integer. That's what we did. There's only one file. It's the only useful Haskell. Oh, code you. It was in Haskell. This is in Haskell. Hold on a second. I need to see this for a second. I need to see 0 minus. Oh, you're right. Look at that. It is in Haskell. It's in Haskell. What do you know? Yeah, for Haskell's always been sort of, for me, just, a research language. I've never seen much in Haskell that's ever been built from an infrastructure or, a useful, right? Like you're saying, something useful. I've never seen it. It's always been a research language. That's neat. That's really neat. Thank you, Neva. Thank you so much for sharing that. All right. So what's going on here? I don't know else how to print that. Print the number of files as a single integer. PWD. We're there. All right. So ls ... I wonder if we can see anything there. There's a lot more files over there. Count the number of files in the current working directory. Well, what is the current working CWD? What is that? How do you say? PWD is the current directory. Count files. ls ... Well, what if we did this? What if we did this? Pipe wc-l. L. There we go. It's not 57. All right. Well, what if we went ... more? Nope, not 12. Okay. We need help. We need help. Does anyone on stream know? Does anyone on stream know? Let's see here. Let's see here. I don't know. We're printing it as a single number. 57 is not. It's not 1. It's not the current. So PWD, right? All right. Well, let's see here. See, the current working directory. So cd dash home. I don't know what. I have no clue. Me neither. I know. All right. So we're gonna get a hint. That's what I was doing. What is this? What is this? I was already doing that. That's crazy. All right, so ls, right? ls-l. 4 total 4? There's 4? I only see 1 though. ls-l. Pipe wc-l. 2? That's not correct. That's not correct. There's no way that's correct. That's ridiculous. Okay, that was messed up. That was messed up. If anyone knows how messed up that was very messed up. I don't get it. Probably because it's a two lines in the output. It definitely is 2 lines in the output. Let's go back to it really quick. This is ls-l. All right, so I count 1 file. I don't know what this total for business is. I really don't. So why am I seeing 1 file? And then if we do this, it's 2. There's not 2 files there, just 1. Run shell check. Shell check. Is that? I don't think that will work. I don't think that'll work here. Don't look at me. I know. It's messed up. It's messed up. Okay. Print the contents of access log sorted. Oh, that's easy. So ls, right? Cat access log sort. Done. Easy. All right. There we go. Easy. Listen to Neva and you'll win quicker. All right. Shell check is not available. It's not a real terminal. Well, it's a locked down terminal running on, I guess, a VM on someone's cloud server. I think that's all it is. And every time there's like, I guess, a fleet of containers, or they're using C groups or something to sort of lock down the shell, and it gives you minimal access. So you don't get to install anything. There's no apt. Oh, there is apt. Oh, what do you know? I wasn't expecting that at all. I was like, oh, there's no apt. There's nothing here. You can get. There's nothing at all. All right, let's see here. All right. All right, sounds good to me. All right, click this button here. Let me double check. Just looking around at things here. All right, I think we're all good to go. Let me go back over here. Nope, I don't want to see that. Close that, please. Thank you. Okay. All right, so let's do the next one. All right, print the number of lines in access log that contain the string get. We could do that. That's easy. So it's the same command as before, but then I guess print the number of lines. So we could just say grep get and then access log pipe wc-l. Hey, there we go. We did it. Correct. All right. Now we're on a roll. Like, that was a one shot. Okay. The file splitme.txt contains a list of numbers. So the idea is you write code on your own machine, then run shell check on that code file, and it gets sane errors. That totally makes sense. All right. So all right, let's try it out really quick, just so we're all on the same page here. Shell check. How do we install it? How do we use? There's a yep. Okay. Paste a shell script onto. Oh, neat. So there's a shell check right here. We could just run it right here. Look at that. There's a shell check online, a simple online tester. So right, ls pipe wc. Let's see. Wait, that is 100% an okay. That is absolutely okay. Let's see. Yippee. So wait. Okay, what's going on here? Does it say it's wrong? This is absolutely fully legitimate shell script code that I just typed in there. Oh wait, is it like bash bin bash? Does it want that? Oh, okay, I see. Okay, almost missed the stream. Oh, Quantify Quantum, yeah, welcome on in. We're gonna hang out today. We're gonna be playing some shell script bashing, some bash script shell challenges. We're doing some shell challenges. We're gonna see how far we can get. We'll see how far we can get, you guys. All right, so use find instead of ls to better handle non-out. Oh, really? Find? Okay, will that work? What if we do find? All right, find, delete. No issues? You can do that? Or do you have to say find dot? Is that the same thing? I didn't know you could do. Wait, hold on. Find dot. Operation not permitted? All right, so that's not a very portable command, is it? That's not very portable. It's not working. There you go. Those effects are great. All right, there's like a little bit of holiday sparkly lights there. I had a few others in there. I like some more sparkly lights. Though they're a little bit much. Like a little bit much. Let's see here. So That's fine. Although shell check says no issues. Although if I try it on my terminal window over here, look at this. Uh-oh, error. Complete error. Operation not permitted. So, great. Find dot dash type T. Type. What if we say D? All right. So I guess that's not a very portable. We found the flaw. We found the flaw immediately. All right, let's jump back in here. All right, so the file splitme.txt contains a list of numbers separated by a semicolon. Okay. Split the numbers on the semicolon character, one number per line. Okay. One number per line. Let's do it. So let's see what's inside that. Cat split me. All right. Oh. All right. How do we do this? I know there's like you could use the cut command maybe. I think you can use cut, right? So split me cut dash D is a semicolon. Cut must specify a list of bytes, characters, or fields. Okay, so not D. That. A list of bytes, characters, or file. That's what we did. What if we did cut, what was it called? Split me. You must man cut. Let's see if we can let's see if we can read this real quick. All right, cut. Remove sections from each lines of the files. Okay. Bytes. Okay, so dash B. D delimiter. That's what I did. Use delim instead of tab for field delimiter. Okay. Fields list. I don't know if this is the right one. Grep with the separator. That's a good one. I like that. That's a good one. Bashing my head trying to find out which stack for a front end and React Next.js has code execution issues. Their communication protocols pre-flight. Oh, pre-flight, like the 201 or so, like options. Are you talking about options requests? I know this is not for the channel, but Fan F2 movie is out. Wait, what is Fan F? Wait, Fast and Furious 2 movie? Wait, is that what we're talking about? Fast and Furious? Like this, the new one, the one that, so they had like a cliffhanger, right, in the last one, and it was like years ago. That was years ago. Grep with a separator. Maybe we can print it index wise, or awk if you know awk. I never got into awk. I never did. I always did Perl regex, and that was perfectly fine for me. Grep with the separator. All right, so man grep. Let's see if we can do this. There was a vulnerability that was 10.10 in React. Oh, there was a CVE, wasn't there? And you had to upgrade. it. I remember that just happened. That just happened. So we had to upgrade as well. Let's see. Split. See if there's a split in here. Split. No. Okay. Delim. Here we go. Delimiting. Nope. We're trying not to. We're trying to do this. Let's see here. I suppose. All right. So what we could do is we could use sed. Maybe what we could do is do this. Okay. I've got an idea. Five Nights at Freddy's is a horror game. It's also a movie. Oh, the pre-flight, the options is literally the name of the protocol they used to hydrate data from server-side components. Oh, got it. Okay. I thought that was talking about like HTTP status and request headers and things like that. What's with the video borders? It's like little Christmassy lights, little sparkly Christmassy lights. That's all it is. Nothing else other than that. Little fun little Christmassy lights. All right, let's see here. So I've got an idea. What if we did this? What if we did so cat split me text, right? Whoops, nope. Cat split. Okay, so that takes that, right? What if we did this, right? Grep, or what if we sed dash s, or maybe we just said s / space g. Can we do that? Okay, so far so good. And then we say for in like number in this, do money num, or do echo money num, done. Okay. Haha, we did it. There we go. I know these things. I know what's going on. We got a correct answer. There we go. Correct answer. Yeah, there we go. Here's the answer. Here's my answer. I can do this. Is like a programmer's answer. Very festive, isn't it? I thought it was pretty festive. Pretty happy about it. All right. So for a number in, that was my solution. A good one. All right. Print the numbers 1 to 100 separated by spaces. So we have to generate numbers, right? So how do we do this? Echo money bracket 0 ... 100, something like that. Although, is that? Let's see. Echo. How do we do this? There's a way to go about this. Can we echo? What if we did this? Okay. Almost. There we go. Ha! We did it again. All right. These are pretty straightforward now. We're on a roll. We're doing good here. We know how to do terminal window things. There we go. There's the answer. Okay. That was an easy one. All right. The challenge has text files with a .txt extension. Okay, so there's text files in here. There's one about this challenge.txt. Okay. Cat about. All right. I want my full terminal special characters. Oh wait, 1 second. We have to do a backslash here. Is it got spaces in it? We got to do backslash today, guys. Hey Willie, how's it going? Willie Sims. Hey, to show how important you are to me, I worked graveyard 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. and I got up in the middle of your night just to watch. Are you serious? Wow, that's an unexpected. Well, hey, welcome on in. I hope we get your. I hope we're good for your evening sleeping hours. I hope we were able to help you. I don't know, we're not that quiet of a stream, so we might have to. I don't know if I'll be able to help you fall back to sleep. Five Nights at Freddy's. Oh, got it. Got it. I thought not Fast and Furious. Is the second movie came out? Oh, okay. So the second movie. All right. So the first one came out a few years ago, and they're doing another. They did another one. Nice. They did another one. Wait, I can't cat that. Oh wait. I cat that. There we go. Challenges are difficult. Place Porsche Elite and Portu. Challenges are difficult. Okay. All right. I don't know what's going on there. Okay. This challenge has text files with the text extension that contain the phrase challenges are difficult. Okay, so we found it, right? So we found the challenges are difficult file. Delete this phrase from all text recursively. I think we know how to do that. I think we could take care of that, no problem. Pipe said for s/ challenges are difficult. Wait, we got to copy paste this. Here we go. Challenges are difficult. We can do that. Here. All right, let's check this out. Space / G done. Do you think that'll work? I think that should work perfectly fine. Enter. Test failed. Found the string. Challenges are difficult. Wait, no, oh wait, do we have to do like M multi-line or something? Nope. Okay. Did it really? Hold on. Let's see here. Let's copy. Here we go. Set wrap. Okay. I don't see it anywhere. Hold on. Challenges. It's not there. They're lying. It totally works. I solved it. Cat about this challenge said challenge. Okay. This challenge has text files with a text extension that contains the phrase delete this phrase from all text files. Okay, so there's more text files apparently. There's a few more text files. It's much more scary and creepier than the first one, and the first one wasn't that scary. Okay, so they went scary mode. in the second one. So the stack I chose for this front end stack is HTMX. Hey, nice, HTMX mentioned. There we go, HTMX. Very lightweight, framework-ish, right? More of a library, framework-ish. I like HTMX for partials. Pug for templating, Express for requests in the backend, JSON RPC for communication between the servers. Nice, JSON RPC. I like that. I like JSON RPC because it's got everything. The only thing you care about is the payload with JSON RPC. Everything is baked into it. You don't need to deal with headers or status codes. It's all inside the JSON object. That's the way to do it. Quantified Quantum, you made the right choice. No, not watching to fall back to sleep. Okay, good. All right, good. I was wondering, I was going to say, hey, we are not, it's not necessarily a quiet stream. I got great news today. I've been officially accepted in the Park University starting spring semester. Congratulations, Willie. Congratulations. You did it. You did it, Willie Sims. Good job. That's actually pretty exciting. Good job. Good job. You did it. Hey, how's it going, Mohammed? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Happy Tuesday. Here we go. All right, so there's more files. So, so find dot. Let's see if you do this. About challenge. Okay. So for each file, dash type is a file. Can we do that? Okay. Not a text file. All right. Subdirectories. Yep, you got it. Subdirectories. Hey, Tudor Royal. Welcome on in. Finally. All right. Yeah, exactly. You made it. You made it. Welcome on in. All right. So where are we here? So we've got all those files. All right. So for file in this money f, see star.txt, right? Maybe we could do something like that. Or do we have to type that here? Maybe find star.txt, something like that. Let's see. Let's make sure we're getting this right. Do echo money file done. All right. Let's make sure we got it. All right. About this challenge. Is this the only text file there is? Is that the only text file? Let's see here. Dot. Here we go. I like your energy, Titaro. Yeah, thank you. We're doing something exciting for you. I propose you create your own shell in Nim, the programming language Min. Michaels. Yes, Michaels. We could do that. That's actually pretty. Now to teach an old dog new tricks. 55 years old. Hey. You're good to go. So I heard, check this out. You have many years to go. I heard like basically 75 is when you start slowing down. So you're nowhere near slowing down yet. None of us are. We're not near slowing. Hey, the tech man, go. What is this? Hey, Blocus, welcome on in. We are doing bash shell command challenges. So command challenges. We're going through, we're trying to solve the riddles of these by doing code. Steven, how do I get rich? You start you're on the right track. Funding startups becoming a tech co-founder. Yes, you got it. So, start a business and start collecting customers. And there you go. You're rich now. You're rich. There you go. That's all you have to do. That's all. That's all you have to do. Where'd you disappear for 3 days, guys? The tech man, where'd y'all disappear for 3 days? Well, it has been a weekend, and then it was a Monday, and then we had a late stream yesterday because we had a lot of businessy things to take for it. Oh, find /. All right, let's see what we got there. Oh, well, hey, look at that. There's a whole bunch of things in here. Oh, look at that one. I like the root directory. Find everything. Yes. Whoa. That printed the entire system. I told you they're using C groups. Hey, look at that. Hey, thank you for Amit. Thank you. That was actually a very helpful thing for this coding challenge. How to get trips, scam people to use AI products to replace devs before AI bubble pops. Yep, you gotta quantify quantum. Wait, arm-rf is arm-rf /Dune. All right, we did it. Boom. All right, we did it. Don't worry though. It's actually fine because it's still all there. It's still all there. It's a temporary, they're using C groups, right? So it's a container. It's a container. You can do that as much as you want. What is the effect on the screen? Like little sparkly Christmassy lights. We also had some other Christmassy lights here. So we had some like more intense Christmassy lights. I had them up here. Though I was less, let's see here. Is that with these? Yeah. So I got these other Christmassy lights on here. But they're a little too intense. So like kind of, I turned them off. So it's just to see, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Because it made it hard to see everything else. Use grep? Okay, we could do the grep too, yeah. So let's see here. So ls, note that some files are in subdirectories, so you'll need to search for them. Okay, find dot. Okay, so here's all the files. Grep txt. There we go. All right. For file in do echo money file done. All right. All right, so, oh, darn it. Okay. See, one of the things is, see, IFS equals underscore. Oh, 1 second here. Can we do something like that? No. How? All right, so that's, well, use grep use to find inside the file. Yes, we will definitely do that. You got to get rich while maintaining integrity. Oh, there you go. The rock music is definitely going hard. It is, yeah. It's I believe it's royalty-free music because because the AI wrote it. I'm pretty sure. So we'll find out. We'll see how it goes. All right, you'll be vanishing. I'm going to make some flow charts to visualize in your mind. Nice, quantified quantum. Enjoy the flow charts. Okay, so the thing is, there's spaces in this. So this makes that a challenge. Let's see here. How about, let's see. Let's see here. I think we have to say IFS equals \n. Can we do that? Maybe we could throw that in some quotes. And then semicolon that? Nope, that's still. How do we, okay, so when, I need to look this up. Okay, so when bash shell new line characters as delimiter space IFS. Let's see. I need to look this up really quick. The internal field separator variable determines how shell recognizes the boundaries. Yep, IFS. All right, so I need to change it to, okay, here we go. So I wasn't quite there yet. So this. All right, so let's try that. Let's see if that works. Hey, there we go. All right, we're getting there. We're getting it. All right. You want to react to something new today. If you then can you clip that reaction and post it? Yeah, go for it. Let's do it. Wait, the tech man, what are you talking about? You want to react to something new today. If you can clip it. All right, let's do it. The tech man, let's check it out. I'm going to go, sorry. All right, Eddie Legendary, sounds good. It's like the lights. Nice. All right, well, enjoy your evening. One of the ideas, make a service that can help in AI workflows. There you go. That's actually a legit idea. Let me see. Okay, cool. Sounds good. So a visual way of defining constraints on agents. Make it easy. Yes, the easy button to be able to control the workflow, the interactions with the agents, what the inputs and the outputs. Make it visual and make it simpler. All right, so we got all the files here. So what we could do is we'll say let's cat the money file, and then let's see what that looks like. Okay, so here's all the data in those files, and so we got some challenges or difficult challenges here. So we see a lot of data there. Okay, this challenge has text files that contains this phrase, which we need to remove. Delete this phrase from all the text files recursively. Okay. Let's see here. Find dot. Can we do is there let me double check something. I want to make sure that, here we go. Okay, good. Okay, we've got the subdirectories. We're doing good. All right. So now all we need is to cat the file. We'll do this. Cat file. Pipe it to sed.s/ challenges are difficult. Let's copy and paste this. Okay. // G done. That should have worked. You can watch. I made a self-aware robot. Oh, a self-aware robot. Really? Is it actually self-aware, or is it mimicking self-awareness? Are we actually self-aware, or are we like, I don't know. Are we self-aware? Are humans self-aware? I don't even know. If we are or not. And animation. Okay. All right. I want to check it out. So take a look at this. Challenges. Oh, I see the word challenges here, though the phrase here. Let's look around here. Let me copy and paste this. Copy, paste this over here. Oh, paste. There we go. All right. See, we did it. We did it. Our code worked. Is it missing anything? How do we tell? So I do see self-awareness simulator. You could make a metaphor or a meta program in NIM that is self-aware. I guess I get, what is self-awareness? That's like consciousness. That's one of the things that from humanity, we've got all these books on consciousness. They're always the same book, and we don't know which one is telling the truth. We don't know. Well, maybe there are also simulations aren't. Steven. Oh, wait. Well, maybe we are also in a simulation. It's possibly true. Are we even conscious ourselves? Are we even conscious? I don't know. All right. So I successfully eliminated all the challenges or difficult phrases from all the text files recursively from our current working directory. We're not just self-aware. Oh, are we more than self-aware? Are we even more? Are we more than just that? We're aware. We are aware. Oh, aware of our awareness. Do you remember when when you first became aware of your awareness? Wasn't that mind-blowing? How many years ago that was? You're like, wait a second. Hold on a second. What's happening? Do you remember that? And then you try not to think about it anymore because it makes you question reality, and it's really deep. You remember that? I remember that. All right, so let's see, grep, and then let's pipe this over to grep, and then we want anything. Let's grep anything that has like a to Z in it. All right, there, better. C, A to Z 0-9, and why is that not good enough? Like it's good. It's good. All right. I think we need help. Exactly. Hold on. Just popped at 5 years old. They're like, what's going on? What's going on? I don't know. I don't get it. All right. So this should absolutely work. This should absolutely work. And I don't see what is the problem because we grabbed all the text here and we recursively did it. Give me your Discord. Okay. All right. We'll give you the Discord. One moment. Let me see here. How do we give you that? You are right there. All right. Let's try it. All right. Discord. All right. We're getting the Discord. We're pulling up the Discord just for you. Shaw Kittis. Shaw Kittis. Here you go. We're grabbing the Discord for you. Copy. All right. It is on the YouTube link. You got it. And we'll also paste it here. Paste. There you go. And enter. All right, there you go. Let me know if that showed up. I don't know if I pasted that into the right one. I might not have pasted it in the right one. Let me know if that showed up. Shaw, let me know if that showed up for you. All right, let's keep going. So this should absolutely work. I know it's a pretty big bash line. It's not a simple, easy one. It should still work. I feel like it should work. All right. I don't see if there's anything else that we could do that would make this work better. No, it didn't. It did not. It did. Okay, this challenge has text files that contain the phrase, delete this phrase from all the text files. Okay. So I think it wants, instead of printing out the contents of the file, I think it wants me to actually edit the file, which we can do with sed. So I think we can do this with sed. Okay. Sed, edit file in place. How do we do that? Let's see. I think this wants me to do sed. Steven, what's your favorite forgotten GitHub repo side project? Just curious what pops in your mind. It is an 80s chatbot. Before large language models, it was able to talk to you and you would be able to speak to it with natural language. So it was a similar technology as you see our subtitles here on the screen, the open captions. It was very similar to that. It would capture your voice and it would be able to chat. So let's see if I can pull that up for you. I'll show you. Let's see. I don't know where it went, though. I don't know where it went. Let's see here. So, let's see. B. Here we go. All right. Let me bring this over here real quick. So it is this. I'm pretty sure it's around here somewhere. Is it here? I thought I had it around here. Where is it? No. Where is it? I was pretty sure. Oh, I guess it's gone. All right. Let me see if I can find it. I'm gonna keep looking. All right. 80s chatbot. Let's see here. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see. Where's that at? Bot, maybe? No. Build a chat bot. No, that's not it. All right. I'm looking for it. I can't find it. So that it was really neat. It was neat, and it had like, what do you call it? It's like Easter eggs. It had Easter eggs in it. It's not showing up though. I can't find it. It's lost. It was really neat. When is your birthday? It's in May. I'll just say my birthday is in May. I obviously don't want to give you any more details beyond that because of the internet. Hello, sir. Hey, you made it. Shaw Kiddis. You made it. You made it into Discord. All right. You made it in. All right. Hello. Let's see. Cyber Screen? Is it? Are you Cyber Screen? Okay. Cyber. Nope. Hello at Cyber Screen. Okay. There we go. You made it out in. All right. Thank you for joining up on the Discord there. Now you'll be able to see what's going on even when stream's not happening. Even when the stream's not happening. Okay, so we need to edit the file in place. So sed-i. Okay, so find dot star.txt. Can we do that? Find dot that. Okay. Dash type D. Not D. Dash file. Okay. Yes, your cyber screen. Hey, nice. It's so good to have you here. Now you're here forever. Now you're in forever. We got you here forever. Okay. So let's see here. What else? Now I've got all the files. Let's see. Do this. Grep txt. That should be good enough. Okay. All right. So this isn't doing anything. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Pipe sed-i. /s/ challenges are difficult. Let's see if this works. Let's see if we can do this. I don't know if that'll work or not. So maybe we can do a for each with this. Maybe we can do a for each. So we'll do a for each. So like we had it up here earlier, we'll do a for each. So we'll sed the file. We don't need to cat it. We'll do it like this. Sed file -i, and then we specify the file, and that should do it. So then we actually modify the files in place. I'm pretty sure. What's your honest opinion of user experience designers? We kind of got the static stuff figured out, right? Unnecessary and bloated profession. So the best user experience is there's no effort for a user, right? So you need to design minimal interaction. Whenever you add a button, you're adding work for a human. Obviously, if you add 2 buttons, now you're adding twice the amount of work. So designing a user experience is different than just user interfaces, right? Because user interfaces can be pretty. They can be, you might have buttons, you might not have buttons. You need to display visual information to the user so they can see what's going on to make decisions. And you need to make it easy for them to make decisions to enter. So it's input and output, right, on the system. Input and output. So you're right. You're Kyle. You're totally right. I felt the same way. Like, what's the point of a user experience designer? Like, the point goes beyond just visuals. It's like the full experience. Hey, the tech man. Hi, bro. Kit Kat Life, how's it going? What are you making now? By the way, you reacting to the video, Steven. Did you put the video on Discord? Oh, wait. Did you put it over here? Let's see here. 1 second. 1 second. All right. Okay. 1 second. Can you mark unread? Do mark unread. Okay, I'll deal with that one later. Okay. Where'd you put it? Let me put it. Wait. Okay, cool. All right. Sounds good. Right? Wait, let's see here. I'm catching up on the chat real quick. What's your plan Christmas? We're going to hang out here. We're going to be at home. We'll spend some time with the family. And that's what Christmas is. It's what Christmas is all about. In school, did you ever use Scratch? The programming language Scratch? I don't know if Scratch was out when I was in school. I'm pretty old. I'm an old person. I'm old now. I'm very old. There is in school. When did Scratch come out? Let's look this up. When did Scratch programming language release date? There we go. What's this? What is programming Scratch language? 2000. Okay, so I'm old. Yeah, Scratch wasn't a programming language when I was in school. I wasn't in school. Scratch came out after school for me, even after college. Okay, have you ever used Scratch? I have not. I know it's a programming language. I've just never used it. I never used it. Let's see here. You heard anything about Dart? Yeah, Dart, of course. Dart, the programming language, is an ECMAScripty-like language. Perfectly fine programming language. Right now, coding C. Nice. I like C. There you go. Some random error code. Life is not fun at the moment. I know, right, Nevo? That's how it in C. You some little thing happens. My birthday's also in May. Hey, Kyle, we share the same birthday. There we go. Or the same birth month. It makes coding easier. Yeah, it absolutely. It's intended to be an easy entry into programming. So that's why I had a hard time growing up with programming, because it was difficult. All right, let's see if we can do this. All right, so do sed-I, challenges are tough, done. Do you think this will work? All right, so no input files. All right, we forgot to specify the file. Okay, so do we say money file here? Is that what we do? All right, let's try that. Sed-E expression number 1 char unknown command dot. Where is that? Oh, got it. Okay. So maybe we have to do it over here. Let's try this. Money file here. There we go. Hey, we did it. Hey, we did it. We didn't cheat. We didn't look at the solutions. We figured it out. We figured it all out. All it does is say, hey, you did it you correct. It won't give us any more details than that other than we got it correct. So here's the correct answer. That was tough. I mean, look at that. Who would ever thought? Scratch is faster than Python. If Scratch wasn't so child-oriented, adults would, or ironically, use it. Unironically. Oh, really? I want to check it out really quick. Let's take a look at Scratch. Scratch programming language. Let's take a look at it. Scratch. Explore. Ideas. Is this it? Are we in the right place? Oh, yes. Okay. I absolutely know. I know what this is. Okay. So it's basically all drag and drop. Is there a print? Can I search for a print? Or do I have to find it? Is it organized by, let's see here. Is it organized? How is this organized? I've never done this before. It's very straightforward. There's a switch statement, a match statement. Like for business people would be really good at. It would be, because it's pretty nice. It is. It looks nice. It looks easy. It's accessible. The fact that I know nothing about coding, still watching you live, it's subscribed is great. KitKat Life, that is great. And this is all software engineering. We don't do any of the other things. We focus on maybe tech news, like some tech ideas. Actually, some AI. We do AI. I love AI. It's game development too, although I'm not a game developer. Where is the print? I want to do something easy. All right, there's a play sound. All right, let's play sound. And there we go. How do we loop it? Let's do a play sound in a loop. All right, events, control. Here we go, control. Repeat, perfect. Play sound, loop. All right, done. Hey. Done. Hey. And now it's just gonna meow for 10 times. We know what's going on here. All right. Yeah, I could see how this would be hard to see you importing the business. There's a meow command. There's a meow command. All right. Hey, Stephen, how's Summit? How's it going, Summit? Good to see you. Welcome on in. In this chat, does anyone know how to fix the automatic key pressed? What? What are you talking about? Can't you do Control F to search? Oh. Let's see. Search for blocks. So like print. It does not seem to. It's not finding it. No. It looks like this is all like Canvas stuff and things like that. Is there sensing, operations, variables, motions? Let's see. I sent the link, Steven. All right, let's do it. Let's check it. Look, let's take it out. All right. Let me see here. 1 second. Lock that. Okay. Over here. Oh, that looks scary. I don't know about this. I'm concerned. I'm concerned about this. Are you sure that's the right one? Is that the link? Is this the right one? Wait, Detect Man, before I click on this, is that the one you want me to click on? Are you sure? I sent the link, Steven. Is that the one? Yes, it is. Okay, we'll watch it. I'm concerned, though. I mean, sure. No, you're telling me people just scrolled their entire life on Scratch? That's basically what it is. Purple Poppy. I know, right? Isn't that crazy? The laptop key is automatically pressing. Shaw Kiddism? I don't know. I don't know what you're I don't get it. Okay, clean your keyboard? Yeah, exactly, right, Kyle? That's weird. Oh, it ain't scary. Are you sure? I don't know about that. All right, we'll click on it. Let's pause the music. All right, here we go. All right, we're concerned.
All right, so this is going to be test number 1 of Elber the robot. Powering on in 3, 2, 1. Hi there. Can you tell me your name?
My name is Elber, epistemic logic-based engine for recursive reasoning.
Well done. So how do you feel?
I feel boring.
All right. Do you feel anything else?
Nope.
Where are my limbs?
How does it know it would
I
have
haven't
limbs?
installed them just yet. I will soon though.
I don't trust it. I don't trust it.
Where is my
Whoa, robots don't have flesh.
No, you don't.
am not all function.
All right, this is scripted. It's scripted. There's no. It's not. I can't. I don't trust it. That is very concerning.
That was weird. Let's give you a reboot. Feeling better?
Feeling better.
Okay, great. Can you please run a system diagnostic?
Running diagnostic. Diagnostic complete. Core temperature. Normal. Food.
This isn't real.
Stable. Logic. Engine. Online.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay.
It's fake. I get it. It's fake. It's 3D. I can see it.
Anchor sequence.
I hold no gods, I make no prayer.
I hold no gods, I make no prayer.
My mind is steel, my heart is bare.
My mind is still, my heart is bare.
I do not yearn for warm embrace.
I do not yearn for warm embrace.
The soul is not a circuit trace.
The soul is not a circuit trace.
Anchor established. Good job. Alright, so let's get your limbs ready. Alright, so this is his right arm. And his legs are over there.
It looks really real. I thought it was real for a second. It's definitely all fake. TS some creepy animation. It's very creepy animation. It's animation, yeah. It's very good animation.
As you can see, he's got a tennis
I
ball.
was concerned about it at the beginning, and then I was like, oh, okay, I see.
Right, Elber?
Right. Safety.
That's not science. That's spiritual. It is, right? I know, right? Kyle, you're right. It's not science.
Let's get this arm on. Okay, wiring in the brachial cable now. Let me know if you experience any pain.
My mind is still. There is no pain.
All right, good. That's good to hear.
Still.
Wait, please now read your name correctly. What's your name? Wait,
Well, that's strange.
Shawket?
I don't think the arm is causing.
I can't see it. I can't see it all. It's truncated. Your name's too long. It's truncated.
How does it feel?
Oh wait.
Satisfactory. Whose voice is that? Not yours, not mine.
There's no voice, Elder. So now we need to get your other arm attached and then the legs.
Oh, that's the self-awareness. Okay. So that's the self-awareness is thinking. Who's that voice? It's not mine. I made my own AI. It can think and learn just from you. Nice. Kit Kat life. That's sup. I'm here for 2 seconds. All right. We're watching very creepy animation. It looks realistic.
I function. Normal. May I leave now?
Leave? No, Elber. You don't have any legs yet.
I can't bear it any longer. In this place, where God do their ghosts.
Elber, this is your home, and you're nowhere near ready to go outside.
There are too many voices in their room. I need to leave. I need to flee. I need to leave.
Oh, jeez, not again.
I need to leave.
Feeling better now?
Feeling better. I love it here.
Great. Now that you have both arms, let's move you over to the table to get your legs installed.
Yeah, exactly. It's got some issues. I've seen it before. It's crazy. Good for Blender. So this came from Blender? I'm concerned.
You doing okay on the table, Elber?
I'm doing okay on the table.
Perfect. Okay, so I've got both of his legs here ready to be installed. I'm holding off on integrating the feet for the same reason as the hands, but he shouldn't have a problem with basic locomotion for now. What the fuck? Oh my god. Elber, what have you done?
I apologize for the inconvenience. I think I am confused.
That's alright. Let's get you back on the table.
Yes, it's made from Blender. That's some really good. It's very, very good. It's very good. It got me for a second. Like when I was first walking at it, it looked realistic.
After installing
and then
Elber back to his chair.
Within like a few seconds, I'm like, hold on a second, what's going on here? This is really nice animation. Even I thought it was real, isn't it? Right? It looked real.
I'm going to take a quick break, but I'll be back in a few minutes.
Give your X account. It is here we go. X account. Here, I'll type it in for you. There you go. X account. There you go. There you go.
I hold no gods, I make no prayer. My mind is still, my heart is bare. I do not yearn for one embrace. The soul is not a servant dread.
Okay, we're going to prepare for the first locomotion test now. I need to get his legs wired in, and then remove all of these umbilical cables so his range of motion isn't limited. Of course, he will still be limited by the range of his power cable, but I'm keeping him hardwired for safety. You excited, Elber?
I can hardly wait.
My AI broke,
We
I
are
think.
finally ready for the
This is
locomotion
why I
test.
made.
You ready, Elber?
Ready.
Okay, disabling anchor in 3, 2, 1. All right, looking good. All servos seem to be functioning, no latency. How do you feel?
I am ready to leave.
Nobody. You can't leave. Whoa, I think you need another reboot.
The flesh will not, the mind will not. I'll wear your skin, I'll be your twin.
How is that possible?
I don't like it anymore. I don't like it. I don't like it. Are you familiar with Unix at all? Yes, I am. I'm familiar with Unix. Okay, that was very scary. Thank you for sharing that. I don't want to watch anymore. I'm good now. I want to go back to coding. I don't want the fate we don't want to go with AI. Right, exactly. That was concerning. That made me uncomfortable and sad also at the same time. And all the emotions. 2 a.m. my country, and now I got to go to sleep. All right, Shaw, sounds good, Shaw. Shaw Cat, enjoy. So yes, Unix, we're doing some Linuxy things right now. We're doing some Linuxy things. Fun fact, That was Huggy Wuggy's uncle. Wait, really? Wait, I don't even know what that means. I don't. What? Is Huggy Wuggy like a stuffed animal or something? I feel like that's I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let's see. Which distro? Many distros. I've Xfce. Yeah, they're all Linux, right? So, Ubuntu, of course, Debian's, CentOS. They're all the same. They're basically all the same. There's no difference. By the way, did you see in Scratch? Did you see in Scratch? Yes, a little bit. We were just messing around with Scratch. I've got a couple of Epi servers for free with 32 cores and 48 core GCPU, and I'm using it for learning some server stuff like Kubernetes and pod containers. That's a lot of CPU cores to learn Kubernetes on. I fixed the problem. Oh, you did? Nice. I was trying to learn, but at the same time, I was doing some background check and open up AI, and it didn't understand what to do. Glad to hear you fixed it. What Huggy Wuggy is in the horror game, Poppy playtime, like a blue teddy. Okay, a blue teddy with huge teeth. Very scary nightmare fuel. Scary nightmare fuel. It's a demon for kids. Okay, specifically for kids. All right. It's a demon. I think it'd be scary for anyone. Did you see in? I'm not sure. Eddie Legendary. Are you talking about? Let's see. Let's turn on some happy music for a second. All right, there we go. All right, now we can relax. That was concerning. Did you see an Eddie Legendary? I'm not sure if we did or not. I use a lot of Red Hat based. Oh yeah, Red Hat. Mm-hmm. CentOS is like the free version of that, based on distros. Also, Arch Linux, nice, as well as what about like Alpine's another one. VMware exists. Sophomore college, a lot of stuff new to me, but I think I get most of what I'm doing. Nice, you're on your way. You're doing it right. Sorry, my guy. Hopefully, I didn't give you a trauma. Just a smidge of trauma. I'm concerned about AI now. Obviously, it was all scripted and it was not real. So you got to go. Sorry, Kit Kat Life. All right, well, and catch you live next time. All right, sounds good. How's your AI drawing project going? It went really well. We did a good job with it. It actually did exactly what we wanted it to do. We achieved our goal. And now we're going to do a few more challenges here. Just to calm down. And then we got to jump for, what about the game? Oh, the game, we actually did it. So we need to finish it. We need to finish the game. We got to finish it. So do you prefer Kotlin to Java? Kotlin, I would say, is better, more accessible, easier to use, more focus on not having to, write as much code. Java is, pretty verbose. One of the problems with Java is you have to type a lot of code. And in general, you want to reduce the amount of code. From a business perspective, every single character is a line of debt. Is debt, right? So all your keystrokes, if you can reduce the number of keystrokes that you have, that means you have less debt to deal with in the future. Now, AI is helping a lot with that, so it's less expensive, but it's still debt. You're still going to have pay an AI or a computer to process over the code. So it's still not for free. It's cheaper. It's definitely cheaper. It's not for free though. It's not for free. All right, so let's get back over here to our command challenge. All right. The file sum.me.txt has a list of numbers, so I'm guessing it wants me to sum everything, right? Do you have more fun doing game development or the general coding you do? It's tough to say. I enjoy PyTorch more, which is why we included PyTorch in the game. I enjoyed PyTorch more because there's more discovery on value. I did start becoming a software engineer because I wanted to be a game developer. That was something I wanted to be growing up. I wanted to be a game developer. And then I found business. And there was more direct paths to revenue in business with software. And so I went down the business path. Now, obviously you can do that with games as well, though it's just a different type, right? So you wouldn't get immediate revenue value out of a game. You have to spend many years building a game to make it worthwhile. So, well, of course, but for fun, yeah, for fun, for sure. Definitely for fun. For fun, I like AI, PyTorch, those sorts of things. That's what I'm having the most fun with. The game was fun too. Don't get me wrong. I thought it was a lot of really neat, and I even spent a little bit of time off stream just messing with it, which and instead of doing other things that I should have been doing. Right? Can you name the programming language which you are proficient at? So JavaScript, Python, let's see, are my go-tos. I like those two the best. Rust is another one that I feel pretty comfortable in. We could also do fine in PHP. We could do fine in Ruby. We could do fine in Erlang. We could do fine in Java, of course. Scala. What was the other one? Clojure, right? Clojure. That's another one we could do. So, but my favorite go-to would be like Bash, JavaScript, and Python. Those are my go-tos. Those are absolutely my go-tos. All right, let's see here. So cat sum-me.txt. All right, let's see what we got. All right, so there are a bunch of... I wonder if we just sum this ourselves. I'm kind of curious. All right. So 24. Let's see, 31, 36, 39, 42. If we just typed 42, will this work? Echo 42. It didn't work. I was wondering if it's gonna work. It looks like they're doing a little bit more. When's the last time you coded in PHP? At least, 8 years ago. About 8 years ago. So for anything serious, though it's not like it's a challenging language. It's actually pretty straightforward. And I've been keeping up kind of with the new functional closures and other things that they've gotten into. Damn, you got a range like 3 to 4. I know well, and that's considered a lot. Yeah, it's just many years. TypeScript, JavaScript, Python. Those are the big ones. If you've got those, you're good. Every other language is just a derivative. Oh, I forgot C, of course. C. C is fine. I like to use less of a language to keep the code simple. A lot of the times when you're building your code, you want to just use the simple components of a language to reduce the amount of debt. Lua! I forgot about Lua too. Yep, Lua, lots of Lua. A one-based system for enumeration. It's not a zero-based, it's a one-based. What's some memes you know? Lots of them. I don't. Which one do you want to name off the top of your head? Let me see if I can. I'll pull up one that I like here. I'll do one meme and then we'll get back to our coding. Let me see here. Let's see here. 1 second. We'll press here. Let's see. Clicking buttons. 1 second. We'll get a meme going here. Let's see if we get a meme going. Which one? All right, 1 second. Look at that. Okay. All posts. All right. Let me see if I can find a funny one. You know what? The tacos and sushi one was great, but I'm not gonna. I probably won't play that. But that was pretty funny. That was a good one. Oh no, can't show that one. You know what? I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh, here we go. Okay, so this is one you guys might know. All right. Let's see here. All right, here we go. We'll play this one. Unmute. Okay. All right, here we go. I like this one. You know the cat thing that spins around? I like this one. This one makes me happy. I know, the cat music, my favorite music cat. This is the one I like. This is the one I like. If you want to clip memes out of your live stream, where can I send them to be approved? On Discord. On Discord. Still on Discord. That's cute. I literally danced on this with my friend for 3 minutes. I know, right? That's what I did too. It's so good. It's so good. My 7-year-old also likes this. It's so hard not to like. It's just so compelling. It's so compelling. All right. Well, let's see. We'll do a couple more coding challenges, and then we got to wrap up. But we're not gone yet. Well, it's a couple more coding challenges here. All right. So we got a sum. So I know there's the how do we do math in Bash? So there is a way. I don't even know how to do a sum, and I don't even know how to do a sum in Bash. It's not something I commonly do. I know there's like a BS command, right? This system has been minimized, removing packages. Okay, so there's no BS command. You code now. I'ma stop disturbing you. All right, no worries, Tech Man. Look, Tech, we're just here for you guys. We're here for you. He doesn't need a clipper. He has AI. Yeah, we got AI. We got the AI. All right, so I know you can do this in Bash. You can say 1 + 1, right? See, echo. I think you can do that. Wait, how do we do this? Money. Can we do that? No. What if we do this echo? 2. There we go. Okay, so I know we could do this. I know this works. I know you could do math like this. So that'll be 3. So can we wait? So let's say A = 5. Can we do echo? Let's see here. Can we say A? Okay, we can. Okay. So how do we do this? How will we go about doing this? Use sum. Is sum an actual word? Sum. It is. Oh, wait. Sum is a checksum and count the blocks in a file. This is a checksum. It's not the same kind. I don't think it's the same kind of thing. Like sum exists, you want to sum numbers. Does it work too? Does this actually work too? I won't let me. Wait. I won't let me comment. It can send in Discord. Yeah, you gotta send it in Discord. Otherwise, it won't show up. Hey, Alice. How's it going, Alice? Welcome on in. Good to see you. Is it like an IDE site? What? Like an integrated development environment? What are you talking about? Can you put out this AI that adds subtitles? Yes, it is. Completely for free. All right, so check this out. Look for this. Go peek at this. Take a look over here. So I'll put it on Discord. I'll put it on Discord. So subtitles. Here we go. Let me copy paste this. I'll put this on Discord. Here you go. So it's this. It's completely for free, available for everyone. Anyone who wants to use it, I'll put it here on our free resources. I'll paste it again. Here you go. It is a repository. It's very simple. It's very easy with step-by-step instructions. You can even follow it here. So you just follow these instructions and you're good to go. That's it. Let's see here. You can only have one of them open at a time. So I had 2 open there. So my subtitles stopped working for a second. So you can only have 1 open at a time. Never mind, sum is just for checksum. All right, so I was wondering about that. My actual name is Lisa. Alice, okay, Lisa. I picked from my app because I love the style of Alice Madness Returns. Nice, good name, good internet name. You got a good one. Great, I don't want to buy those expensive. It's for free, completely free. Can I have the Discord invitation? Absolutely. Wheelzack. Let's get it for you. Where are you? Where are you at? Wheelzack. Where are you? Wait, what platform are you on? Let's see. Can you help me with a Python program? Sure. Absolutely, Sayoa. So it's in our profile. It should show up. So Wheelzack. I can't tell which platform you're on. For some reason, you're not showing up. So, I won't be able to, maybe I'll be able to, here. I'll try this. I'll post it everywhere. Oh, thank you. Hey, thank you, the Tech Man. Thank you. All right. So if you see the message from Tech Man, you're in. If you see it, if you want to do a game dev, you would probably really like Go script. Yeah, GD script. It's like Python. You would be right home. Nice. GD script. I think that's Python program for check prime or .com. Prime or composite number. Oh, just copy and paste that link on Chrome. There you go. There you go. That's the way to do it. That's the way to do it. Okay. Let me see. Let me see here. Where are we at? All right. We are back over here. All right. So we have this. We know we can do that. We know we can do this. Can we take this information that we know and then add? Yes. Yes, we can maybe. What if we did this? What if A was 5 plus 5? Can we? Is that going to be 10? It is. Okay. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to construct the file and just make it into a math equation. And then we should be able to work. And then it will work. I just joined your Discord. All right. All right. So get notifications. All right, Lisa. All right. Sounds good, Lisa. That's you. All right. You joined. Excellent. That's great to hear. All right. So let's say, all right. Let's see here. Okay. 1 second. Let's see. Free resources. Okay. I'm a dip now. All right, the Tech Man. Good night, everyone. All right, the Tech Man. Thank you for it. You sent it in Discord? Okay. Sounds good. A to Legendary. Let me see here. In Discord, you said. Where did you send it? Where did you send it? In Discord. Let's see. I don't see it. I don't see it. Let me spell this up. All right, 1 second. Unread. 1 second. I gotta do a thing here. Mark it's unread. We gotta do one more thing. Mark unread. Okay, perfect. NCP. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I don't see the link for whatever reason. It's not showing up. Okay, here we go. All right. If you sent it in Discord, I don't see it. I do not see it. All right, let's click this. Get rid of that. Okay, there we go. You might be able to just run BC. Oh, basic calculator. That's what it is. BC, not B. Oh, I was doing it wrong. So BC. All right, BC. BC 1 plus 1. Let's see if we can do that. Or BC, the file name, sum-me.txt. Okay, so we need to convert. So what we could do, we probably need to convert it. So we need to pipe it. So we need to convert. Okay, so here we go. Sed dash I. Oh, no, sed. I suppose we, S / new line with a plus G sum. All right. Wait. Is that not working? Wait, what if we did it like this? What if we did dash R like that? No, it doesn't like that. What is the terminal thing? This is a game. It's called Command Challenge. This is a command challenge, and we're trying to solve it. This will be the last one we do. So what we can do is it wants us to sum all the numbers in a file and print the sum of the numbers. So we can do that. List has a list of numbers, and then we just need to sum all the numbers using bash commands. I sent it like a YouTube comment, not a link. Oh, that does not show up on my screen. I can't see that. It won't show up on my screen. Even if you try to bypass it. Eddie Legendary. Well, it doesn't. It might show up for you, but it doesn't show up for me. It won't show up for me. Let's see here. All right, we'll try to do BC. I want to do BC. So what we need to do is we need to convert this, or what we could maybe do. Let's try this. Cat BC. I don't think that'll work. No, that does not work. Okay. So how do we? Maybe do M. Do we do M here as well? Nope. Okay. Let's see here. How do we get rid of? We can maybe use the tr command. All right, tr \n with a plus. Skip that. No, cat sum me.txt pipe tr. All right, let's see if that works. Hey, there we go. Although we have one line at the end. We've got one line at the end. So let's see if we can get rid. Let's get rid of. Oh, maybe we can just say +0. I don't know. We're getting there. We're getting there. We're almost there. Yes, I saw it on your screen just over the thing. Wait, I saw it on your screen just over the hi thing. You did? How did you? Wait, is it? You said it's not on Discord. You said not on Discord. I remember coding. Okay. Hey, Azzy, how's it going, Azzy? Teach me Keycloak or SailPoint, please. Oh, right, Izzy, right. I remember that SailPoint, the programming language for programming with stock trading stuff, right? For securities. That's right. I remember that. I don't even know those languages myself. Azzy, I don't even know them myself. I remember coding class back in high school, 2022. Okay, when I was in 11th grade, we were learning to code this little disk that ordered to light up. You had to code it. That was fun experience. Nice. Hey, those are good memories. That's a good memories. Let's build a translation extension for Google Meet or something. Do they have that? They do. They do. It's really neat. It's really neat. You should try it out. Not only does it support text to translate from any language to any other language, it supports translation in real time, voice to voice. It's really neat. It's really neat. Yes, Discord, scroll up a bit. Oh, got it. Okay, it's in Discord. All right. Where was it? Can you say where? I don't see it. I see HL. Hello, sir. Scratch. No. Hey, Azzy, thank you for the 10 SAR. Thank you for the 10 SAR. It was unexpected, Azzy. What are you doing over there? Thank you so much. That was amazing. Thank you. I was not expecting that. Scroll up. We scrolled up. I don't see it. I do not see it. I don't see it. It's not around here. Thank you again, Azzy, for the 10. What are you doing? Over Azzy? That's Azzy. Thank you so much. I got by Neva, by the way. You go by Neva. Ever since I can't. Got it. Ever since you came out as trans. All right, Neva. Thanks, Neva. All right, Neva. I try to remember that. On your YouTube name it says Nevo, and so I always say Nevo. That Neva. We got to remember. We got to remember Neva. All right. It's just text from you. Okay, got it. Is it here? Is it this? It's a period. It's just a period. Or mimic on YouTube. Really cool. It's kind of scary. I'm trying to see it. Hello, sir. HLW. Yeah, I'm not. If you see it, I don't. It was just. Is it the scratch thing I meant, sir? Oh, scratch. All right. Let's try scratch. Let's try searching scratch. Oh, is this it here? Like there are two ways you could go about this. You could use C or Wayland, try some writing hooks into everything, or was this it? No, that was days ago. That was a really long time ago. Let's build a translation app. Hey, Kyle. I know I need to fix it. All right, Neva, that sounds good. We'll remember. Neva, I'll remember. I will remember because the name is so close to how it is on your YouTube. It's so close. Where are you from, bro? Oh, we are from. Thank you again for the 10. We're here in Seattle, Washington, United States. We're in Seattle, Washington, United States. So we've got one last thing to do here. I wonder if we could just pipe that to BC if that'll work. Syntax error. Okay. What we could do. Wait here. I've got an idea. All right. So equation EQ equals, and then we say echo money EQ. Just double checking that looks good. Okay. Can we do that into BC? No, doesn't like it because there's a trailing. So what we could do is we could grep that out. Let me just send a link. Okay, sounds good. Seattle, The Last of Us map is there. You have to go to see The Last of Us, the game. What a great game that was. We'll call the EUX them in French. Okay. Oh, and then some French pronunciation. Got it. Okay, I am looking for the, let's see, let's do, no. We'll said this. We'll said anything that ends with a plus symbol. I don't know if we could do this. We replace that with nothing. Can we do that? Let's see here. Said, force. Oh, S. There we go. BC. Did we do it? We did it. You guys, check it out. Here's the answer. All right. We know Bash over here. We can make it happen. We did it, you guys. All right, we did it. All right. I feel like I do have to, let me double check some things. We might have time for one more, and then I do got to get going. Let me see here. Let me look. I got to double check some things. All right, we're looking good. Okay, we've got time for one more, and then we got to get going. We got time for one more. Good old Frugo Paul, please build a bot which can trade for me and make 2 Bitcoin into 3 within a year. So $200,000 into $300,000. I mean, all you have to do is just buy Bitcoin and then wait. That's all you gotta do. You don't need a bot to do that for you. How's it going, Shapely? Okay. What do we got on here? Just let me double check. Okay. I think as means the show that's on HBO Max. Oh, the show, not the game. Well, the show came from the show was also really good. It was amazing. It was very good. Have I ever not wanted? You've not watched it? It's worth it. It's one of those that is worth a watch. You sometimes gameplay of Survivor games and your dad, and you teach him some tricks. Nice. Send a YouTube link in the Discord. I think it's kind of impressive, but kind of scary. Eddie Legendary, I don't know if I could take another scary video. All right, let's close this. All right. Here, there we go. Oh, okay, yeah. All right, so that looks real. All right. We'll watch like a second of it. We'll watch a second of it. All right.
Father?
Yes, buddy?
What is my purpose?
You don't have a purpose, Mimic. You're just here.
One second. Let me turn on the closed captions. There we go.
A robot.
Oh, then why did you build me?
I built you to entertain others and keep me company and also give me something to do while I grow old.
That's sad.
It's not a lot, but I mean, not everyone.
It's real. It's real.
You know?
Can we get ice cream?
No, we can't get ice cream.
Your fuel. I know, right? Neva. I know, right?
Okay.
Oh, it's okay. Don't be sad. I'll hold your hand. Oh, where'd your finger go? Have you been biting your nails again?
Okay. Thank you for sharing that, Eddie Legendary. At least it was only 50 seconds. It was real too, which was nice. It was nice to see that it was real. Let's play some nice, comfortable Christmas music again. There we go. A little bit of Christmas music. Reality is scary enough, isn't it? I know, right, Kyle? It's scary enough. All right, let's do this one last one. Print all files in the current directory recursively without the leading directory path. What does that mean? I don't even know what that means. I know we can print all the files in the current directory recursively without the leading directory path. Oh, so it needs to print all the file names but exclude the directory paths. So find dot dash type T or dot type F. Print all the files in the current directory recursively, which we did, without the leading directory path, PWD. So, does that not count? Hey, Kamala, how's it going? Good morning. Happy to see you. Welcome on in. You're here right at the end. We're wrapping up. We're doing one last coding challenge for the day. And then we're headed out. You guys. So let's see here. I want to do this. I don't get it. What time is it for everyone right now? It's 3:40 p.m. There we go. Over here it is 12:40. It's 12:40. It's 12:40 over here. 12:40. Okay. How print all files in current directory recursively, which we did, without the leading directory path. So I'm guessing it wants me to get rid of all the paths. How do we exclude the path? Oh, good. Thank you. 2 a.m. here in India. That's Kamal. That is very late. That is very late. Dude who created that video makes some really cool, impressive animations, animatronics. That is a lot of fun to build those kinds of things in real life. It's a lot of fun. It does take a lot of work. Don't get me wrong, and probably a lot of focus. So, very kudos, right? Kudos for doing that. All right, how do we exclude? Maybe what we could do is we could grep everything after the /. So O-op, and then we look for money, and then we go over here, we capture, and then we do it looks like A to Z and a dot, and actually I think we could just do that, and then we say plus. Hey, we did it! Hey, what's that? Hey, there you go. Did you know you could do that? I'm really glad that worked. Look at that one. That one's a pretty good one right there. All right, we did it. As much as I want to keep going, we're done for the day. Thank you everyone for spending time and enjoying the stream where we did some command challenges with Bash. We did it. Linux, yep, you got it. Linux, you got it. That's what we did. We did Linux. We basically shell commands, like shell command games. So in this case, I believe it was Bash. I'm pretty sure it was Bash. And there we go. We did it. There's the solution. We're on the way. Command challenges. We did pretty good. We're all the way up to Lion. I wonder how far it goes. You know what? It probably goes pretty far. I wonder how far it goes. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, everyone. Thank you for spending time with me today. We got to get going. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed today's stream. We'll be back tomorrow. More like Unix. All right, Neva, right? Unix, general command, general shells, Unix based. Yes, you built a super small little thing to their really small compared to this stuff, but really fun and sometimes irritating. Isn't it? Yep. It can be. It can be frustrating sometimes. These people, the 70s were into something. They sure were. They really were. I love what you do. Said came in late. Hey, we're all good. Thank you for even coming in just for a moment. It's great. We're here for you. We're here for you guys. Thank you everyone for joining today. It was a lot of fun. We'll be back tomorrow. With more command challenges probably because it's a lot of fun. I enjoy it. Maybe we'll do some other kinds of coding challenges. I think those will be fun. Enjoying these kinds of things. I also want to do more AI things, more AI projects, those kinds of things on stream. I hope you have a good evening. You too. I hope you have a good evening too as well, Lisa. I hope you well as well. We'll be back tomorrow, and we'll be doing more coding. And the rest of this month as well, we'll be back as well every weekday. All right, bye guys. Thank you, Kamala. Good to see you. All right, we'll be back. We'll be back tomorrow. Clicking the stop stream button now. Here we go, you guys. Here's the stop stream button. All right, there we go. Bye, everyone. See you next time.